What's up YouTube? This is Jalen with Growth Inspire. I'm back with another video going to talk about one of my favorite books of 2022. So if you're needing that one book that may change your perspective on things, definitely watch this video here. I'll be talking about this one book that was very helpful and it changed my perspective on how I look at this subject. You definitely don't want to miss out on this video here, so definitely tap in and look for yourself. We all know that there is tons of videos out there, there's tons of books, tons of ebooks, there's a lot of knowledge that is out there. A lot of people, they don't really capitalize or really understand like the resources that is available with the things of the internet. But there was this one book that was very helpful for me and I definitely do not regret reading it. I was even thinking about reading it again just to freshen up my memory on it. So that one book was The Psychology of Money. Money has been flowing around us since we were born, growing up as kids, young teens, young adults, you know, as you get older. You need money to do a lot of different things. You need money to survive, money to keep a roof over your head, money to eat. I mean, everything basically really revolves around money. A lot of times as we were growing up and as we experience financial things, we may see it differently than others. And I will say that it is really good to get a different perspective on things, especially when it comes to financial things. If you're having issues with money, getting money, making money, or keeping money, I definitely recommend reading The Psychology of Money. It can definitely be a very helpful tool to help unlocking a new perspective for you and look at it a little differently. And in my honest opinion, I want to say that behavioral finance is a very interesting subject as well. That is something that I wanted to dig deeper in as behavioral finance. It can help break down the behaviors when it comes to money, financial information, and so much more. So that's definitely a topic that I plan on digging deeper in for the next year. That's all I really have for this video here, but don't forget to check out my previous videos. I have a lot of videos talking about entrepreneur stuff, business talk, credit tips, and just so much more. So definitely peep the description, peep my channel, peep the videos, like just keep looking. And there's a lot of stuff that I already talk about, but I'm going to keep making new videos every so often. So I appreciate you guys who've been watching this video here. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you next video. See ya.